It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin and I'm here with Josh. And in today's video, we are in a customer's home and we are going to talk all about installing cabinets. That's why I have Josh here with me today. He is one of our cabinet coaches. He's also an expert cabinet installer. So Josh, introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Josh. I'm originally from Florida. I've been doing cabinet building and installing for the last 15 years. My goal here is to really help you guys as customers of ours share my wisdom, my tips and tricks. There may be multiple ways to do things, but I'll do my best to really lead you to a successful installation. We're here in Pennsylvania on a new construction job, and we're going to basically talk about the tools that we're going to need for just the pre-installation checklist. This is going to cover leveling walls, checking for the highest elevation of the floor, finding your stud locations, determining if pipes or receptacles are in the proper places, and measuring the cabinets and making sure they're all properly sized for the job and for the install. Our hope is with sharing these tips that it's going to make your install process a lot easier, speed things up, and save you from maybe miscutting or making errors during the install. We want to show you how important it is to take all of these things into consideration before you even put the first cabinet up. So we have some tools and processes here that should mitigate a lot of that risk. One of those most important tools is going to be a second person, a helper. Lots of heavy stuff. We need to hold things on the walls. We need to keep them in place. The next thing we have is we're going to want a laser level. You can use levels, but if you can get your hands on a laser level, this is really what we want. Something with two axes, something that is self-leveling. It's basically like having a giant level across the whole room, without having to keep moving one around manually. Stud finders, you can use the battery type like this, or the old-fashioned magnet type like this. Pen, pencil, pull string, because we want to make sure that we're keeping everything in plane and parallel with the wall. We know walls can be a little bit funky, and we'll kind of get into that. A tape measure. Masking tape has a bunch of uses, but really we want to cover the importance of these tools and why they're important to start off strong and have a successful installation. Even before we begin our first cabinet install, we want to make sure that we've accounted for the heights and variances in the floor and in the walls. We want to make sure we have a 4, a 6, a 2-foot level. If we have a 8-foot wall that we're trying to check for square or level, we want to try to use an 8-foot level. We don't want to use a small level if we can avoid it. So if you have any questions about the tools that we're using, you can reach out to one of your cabinet coaches. A lot of us have a lot of experience in the business, and we'll be able to coach you in the best things to use for your situation. You can call us at 888-211-6482. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.